guys, NATURALLYMARKED here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me. So I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. You guys, today is going to be an update video on my kinky twist. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. So it is now January 15th, and I put my kinky twist in on December 17th. So I'm 2 days shy of a month. So this is a month update, and me saying it out loud, like, I didn't even realize that it's been an entire month. And if you see that I'm missing nails, I literally have to redo like 3 of my nails. And I promise you, every time when I do a video, or if it's to jump in the shower to wash my hair, I have to redo my nails because I don't want my hair to get caught on my fingernails or anything like that. But enough with the rambling. I normally just tie my hair, as you guys just seen, it was tied, but it's literally been a month. I have not reverted my hair or anything. I've just been keeping it tied up in like a French roll looking hairstyle. My hairstyle is more to make sure that I'm not pulling my edges or like pretty much manipulating my hair with it being in a protective style, and also trying to make sure that the ends of my hair stay protected as well. So I try not to wear my hair down that often. This time around, like I said, and you guys probably hear a plane, but this time around I try to make sure I'm not running my hands through my hair that often, because when I did my takedown and detangled my hair started kind of locking on itself. So I didn't want that to be the case. Yeah, so I didn't want that to be the case this time around. So when I put my kinky twist in the first time, I was washing my hair every week. My scalp has been itchy this go around because it's been a month since I've actually washed my hair. But I'm going to try to only wash my hair once a month with my kinky twist in. So I'm going to wash my hair and revert it. And as you guys can see, my hair is still straight for the most part because I haven't reverted it. So it's going to be a lot more shorter. What am I trying to tell you guys? Okay, so the back of my hair is more shorter than the front of my hair. And I think you guys can see that. And I believe that came from postpartum shedding. A lot of that came from postpartum shedding. And then the thinness came from the COVID shedding. But what I'm trying to do, because I know when you guys see my videos and I blow dry my hair, is like you can see straight through the back of my hair. And that's because of the different lengths in my hair. Since the top of my hair is so much longer, it's giving the appearance that the back, that I have bad ends, but it's like half and half. Like, my ends aren't bad because in the video that I blow dry my hair, I believe it was like December 17th, 2022, I had cut my hair in August. I think it was about like the middle of August. I cut 13 inches off of my hair. And I know my ends aren't bad from August, September, October, November, December, 4 months later. And my hair has grown out a lot. Maybe I could put like a picture in for you guys. But I do notice that my ends do look see-through because my scalp is becoming so much thicker. And then the hair that was remaining on my head when I had COVID, those thin ends are still on my hair, but they're not bad ends. It's like my hair is recovering. It's growing in thicker. I hope that makes sense. So I'm going to be cutting my hair off like every couple of months. Like maybe every 6 months I'm going to cut a significant amount of hair off. So then those thin ends will be gone. But I'm trying to be careful not to cut the nape of my head, because the nape of my hair need to catch up significantly with the top of my hair. So I feel like I'm going to just be cutting, let me see. I feel like I'm going to be cutting the crown of my head because even the temples of my head feels like they grow a lot slower. And my sister-in-law Tiara parted my hair, so now I can see more. I feel like I will be more comfortable with cutting my hair, trying to make it even, because she parted my hair. And as you guys can see, it's like, wow. Okay, so I parted that, and this is the way that I'm gonna be cutting my hair. So I feel like that, and I know she made a straight line across, so yeah, so that is good right there. I feel like this part of my hair, and this kind of grows a little faster, but I think I will leave that. But I feel like this part of my hair grows the slowest, or maybe when I like go in and cut my hair, this part of my hair doesn't get cut as much as these. Like, hold on. Like, I don't feel like this part, I feel like this part of my hair gets cut the most when I'm like pulling it down or when I'm cutting it myself. This is the part of my, I feel like this part of my hair probably gets cut the most, because when I pull my hair down, I'm pulling it down like this, and then I'm cutting it. And actually just thinking and sitting here and looking at myself pull my hair down, and then when I snip it, all of the lower part that kind of gives you your length, I'm cutting that off. And then the top of my head, when I'm pulling it down, it's still longer than the hair underneath. So because I know that like the nape of my head is so much shorter, like this part of my hair has been trying to really get its length back. Since my sister-in-law, there's a lot of freaking planes flying around today, and this is like the only time that I can do this video, but it's okay. So with me trimming my hair in the future, I am going to, and I'm going to show you guys me trimming my hair, but I'm planning on leaving these kinky twist in and just redoing it one at a time. Like maybe every 2 months I redo one kinky twist at a time. And if I didn't say so, this is my hair, but I'm gonna redo my hair so that I can keep her parting, because I don't feel like my parts was straight enough to feel comfortable to try to cut it and make sure that I'm growing out what I need to grow out, and I'm not cutting what I don't want to cut. I didn't feel like my twist or my parts was good enough for me to cut my hair in my twist. So now that I know that I got really good sections and really good parts, I'm a lot more comfortable to start trimming what I need to trim. But I really wanted to show you guys my hair and really document what it looks like before I actually revert it. This part of my hair, like I said, is the longest, and I think I might start pulling it up like this and just start cutting it, because I don't think I want it to go past. This is how much hair that I still have when I can't even, like, with my arms extended all the way up, like I can't reach the top of that. So I'm thinking I don't want my hair to extend past what I can pull up here. And then I feel like if I cut, so let me see where that will leave me. Okay, so if I cut that much off, I feel like that will put my hair to about here, which would be perfect, because then it won't be weighing down the back of my hair. And I feel like that'll be a pretty good length, because see, I can pull it all the way up and my hand is still extended, but when I bring it down, it stops like right at my collarbone. And I feel like that's exactly what I need to cut off of that section of my hair to make my hair start looking and moving a lot better, because my hair really don't have any movement to it. To really just make a long story short, this is what my hair looks like. I haven't reverted my hair yet. I'm planning on washing my hair today. I'm gonna take you guys in the shower with me. I've only been moisturizing my hair with my DIY oil and my DIY water-based whipped shea butter, and that's completely it. What if my hair seems a little bit more swollen up since the first time I did it is because I'm back in Seattle now. It's so much more humid here and it's raining. I don't wear a hat on my head when I'm going to the car, and for my ends, they have not been reverted back. They're a little frizzy, but they're not like really shrunken. So yeah, those are my future cut plans. I do kind of want to cut some of it right now, but I don't want to cut it yet because, like, if you guys can see this little straggly piece of hair, and then, like, look, I'm still pulling hair and you guys can't even really see that because it's like 3 strings in this twist that is just traveling longer and longer and longer and longer. Look, it goes past my dang elbow. But it's like, that's what I'm talking about. Like, I need to, this is the temple of my hair and all of this is grown back out, but I really need to cut it off right here so that when all of it starts growing back out, it doesn't look like the ends are see-through. So that is what I'm going to be planning on doing. I'm going to wash my hair probably once a month or maybe once every 3 weeks. My scalp is itching, so it might be once every 3 weeks, but when I wash it, I'm going to try not to mangle up my twist so that the takedown isn't really difficult, because I was thinking I was going to kinky twist my hair once a month, and I feel like that might be too much work and I may not want to do that. So I'm going to try to do it every 2 weeks and only wash it twice. So this is going to be my first time. It's been a month. And then when I go in and wash it again the second month, I'm going to retwist my hair while it's wet and moisturized. So then that wash day is not going to be tangled on itself because that will be 2 wash days. So I'm thinking that that will work a lot better so my hair don't feel like it's starting to lock on itself, and then hopefully that makes the takedown a lot more easier. But I'm gonna walk you guys through it with every video that I'm doing and letting you guys know exactly what I'm doing. But I do know that I still got about a good 10 inches that I need to cut off, maybe even 15 inches on the top that I'm pretty sure I need to cut off before all of my hair looks thick again, and then you don't see like the see-through ends when I blow dry it. So honestly, just being 100% transparent with you guys, for my hair to get, it's back at waist length, but for it to all healthily be back at waist length like it was before I had got COVID, I feel like I got about another 1.5 years to achieve that healthy looking goal. So that is this update video for this part of my twist. Yeah, so that's all I'm gonna be doing with my hair. Y'all hear Maggie, my camera's probably shaking because my husband's awake. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys when I wash my hair, and then after that, then I'll see you guys in the next video showing you guys how I moisturize my hair and what my hair looks like reverted. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.